Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you are fine. In our video today, we will make a revision about some lessons we have studied before. Our lesson today talked about what happens to the food we eat. What happens to the food we eat? When we eat some food, a digestion process occurs to this food. So, digestion process means that it's a process that changes the food into simpler substances. Changes the food into simpler substances. For example, when we eat a piece of meat, a digestion process occurs to the piece of meat. So the piece of meat it changes into its simpler substances, which is protein. So a piece of meat by digestion process changes into proteins, which is the simpler substances of meat. Again, meat by digestion process it changes into proteins. So proteins is the simpler substances of meat. So meat by digestion process it changes into its simpler substances, which is protein. We eat with our mouth. But firstly, we need to cut food into smaller pieces. So we make a chewing process. We chewing food. As we see the girl in this video, chewing food. We chewing food using our teeth. Saliva. We found a liquid like water inside our mouth. This liquid inside our mouth called saliva. But why we need saliva? Saliva mixed with food. Why? To soften the food, to make the food soft, to make it easy to swallow the food. Okay? After mouth and after swallowing food, there are some muscles. Push the food. Push the food to where? Push the food into stomach. What is the structure of stomach? Stomach is a muscular organ. Stomach is a muscular organ. Muscular organ means it look like a muscle. Okay? Muscular organ means it look like muscle. Inside the stomach, there is an acidic juice. Inside stomach. Acidic juice helps in the digestion process. After stomach, the digested food leaves the stomach and go inside and moves to the intestines. The digested food leaves the stomach and moves to the intestines. And now let's talk about diet. Diet means what? It's the amounts and types of food that we eat regularly. Amounts and types. Someone love to eat a lot of meat or a lot of rice. Another person love to eat a lot of pasta. Someone love to drink milk. Another one love to drink soft drinks. And so on. There are a lot of diet systems. The food we eat contains substances. These substances called what? Called nutrients. Nutrients like what? Like number one, proteins. We need proteins for what? We need proteins to make our muscles stronger. We need proteins to make our muscles stronger. We found proteins in what? We found proteins in meat, fish, egg, and nuts. Meat, fish, egg, and nuts. So we need proteins to make our muscles stronger. The second nutrient we will talk about called carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, we need to eat carbohydrates to give us energy. We need carbohydrates as carbohydrates give us energy. We found carbohydrates in bread, cereal, rice, and pasta. Bread, cereal, rice, and pasta. So carbohydrates is very important for our body as it gives us energy. The third nutrient is called fat. Called fats. Fats also give us energy. Fats also give us energy. We need energy to do all our favorite activities. We found fats in what? We found fats in milk, yogurt, cheese, butter, and oil. Okay? Milk, yogurt, cheese, butter, and oil. That's all for today. I hope you are get benefit from our video today. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Stay safe please. Bye.